Morning, everybody. Got some good sleep. Didn't get a lot of sleep, but I hope you guys slept better. I figure I'm just gonna get this whole thing out of the way this morning. I was gonna try to come on later, but maybe we'll see how that works out. Live Forex, crypto, stock trading. Today is 2/6/24. Be right with y'all live. I'm, as usual, setting up my account. I think we're done. That seemed way too fast and way too easy. All right, let's go live. Good morning, good morning. Hope y'all slept better and longer than I did. Yeah, I was. Let's pray we're in here on TikTok, and we are. Wow, that was easy. Morning, everybody on YouTube. Good morning, everybody on TikTok. Good morning, Jason. Good morning, Boost. Good morning, Shash. Good morning, Japan. God is great, and God bless you all. Good morning, Priscilla. Good morning, Fly to the Sky, Flyowski, Jan. There you go, Jan. Remember that? Yeah. So it's just one of those things you'll get a feel for about knowing when it's going to go up and down. You're still excellent with your reads. I think what we went over yesterday will help you a ton, I'm guessing. Good morning, Michael, a.k.a. Big Pippin. Good morning, Jeanette Taylor. And that's it. Good. Everybody else should be sound asleep. None of you should be awake. Good morning, Docker. Good morning, Priscilla. Good morning, Botner. What's up, Botnator? Sadly, I did not take it. Yeah, that 2 out of 3 is amazing. All right. I am not a financial advisor. Never have been, never will be. No one associated with my channel is. Please trade only demo like I do. Please visit my store. Let's see something. Is this? No, it's not. Okay. Visit the store on YouTube, please. I am just a social media influencer. Don't listen to any investment advice I say. Please type yes if you understand that I am not a financial advisor. Good morning, Metalman. Good morning, Ruben. It's all right, Jan. I got into a late NAS one. Made some good money. Or was it US 30? Fuck, no, I think it was NAS. Thank you, JSA and V1. Thank you, Nader. Let's move this here. Let's see this right there. And let's move this here. Okay. Next up, trying to get my order. I want to do these. I like to lead with the trademark, but I always forget about it. D Nice. Good morning, D Nice. Thank you, Antoinette. Good morning. You honestly think we're going to ignore Kev Alert? Sound asleep with sound bypass my focus. Oh, that's funny, Shannon. You have focus mode? Really? I know I could put it on silent and then get like Breeze, my wife's messages and stuff. I didn't know that you could do it the other way. That's cool. Good morning, D Nice. Thanks for being at both places. Okay. We have Yay! We have our trademark from the United States of America. And I do believe Tommy never even got back with me. So at this point, until I'll let you know if I hear anyone else has a system out there, I'll quit saying this. But as far as I am aware, anyone on TikTok or anyone on YouTube does not have a trademark from the United States of America for a Class 41 trademark registration number. Our system, the Safety Trade System, has a Class 41, and you can read it. And there's a whole other page of this shit where we have trademark over for the Safety Trade System. Coaching in the field of stock market trading, coaching in the field of building generational wealth through stock trading. It's insane to me what they give us. I can't thank God enough for us. That is the 7,291,300 registration number. Took over a year to get, well over a year, almost a year and a half to get. Took forever, but there we sit. Yay. So you can say it loud and you can say it proud that what system do you use to trade with? The Safety Trade System. Good morning, Golden State Fines OC. All right, I'll put that down, but I got to always bring it up. Usually I'm trying to end with it too, but I always forget that. Okay. Let's take a look at a few trades. Oh, yeah. Those are the ones I was just telling you about. I got in late. I got very late. But obviously in the money. That's weird. Well, anyway, got to lock in profit on this one right here. Pretty easy call. Let me see. We are the world. We are the children. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. We are the world. We are the children. Oh, there it is. Sorry, Nance. My bad. Ricochet. 1 minute sell stop to the blue line again. NAS 100. Sell stop. NAS 100 to the blue line. What does our scanners look like? What's up, Gladys? GY's in a 15-minute sell. Yeah, right. I sleep, and I don't recommend that. You need your sleep. All right. 2 out of the 3 are down. NAS is almost there. I'm calling this. It already touched it once, but I'm going to call it again. Let's see how she rolls. And we'll see if we make a little money on it. 1 minute sell stop. 2 out of 3 were red. You already would have made money from my call last night. When I said this will go down, it already did. But it'll do it again. All right. Da, 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 da. So first look at the scanner. That's what I'm calling. Also calling for 15-minute, 30-minute, 1 hour buy stops. This is what you're looking at right now. We'll switch over to the other things. All remember, if you're using the sniper or not, you should get it. Blue line high, blue line low, pink line up high, comes over your 2 lines. Wait for the pink line to be high. Pop, down it goes. Does it again. Pop, down it goes. Pop, down it goes. What was I doing this whole time? Sleeping. So now we're picking up shit. Now we're picking up the table scraps off the table. But oh well. And down it goes. It's at least above this line. I didn't get in any one of those. I'm in here, so that's where I'm at. All right. We are the world. The system is made for beginners, super easy to comprehend. Here we go. I'm going to call out oil, Amazon, XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, GBP, JPY, UTSF, EUR, USD. And here we go. Oil. We are the children. Da, 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 da. Excellent morning, Wealth Creation Project. What's up? My original was at 7:47. I'm sure that's a good time to go back there and take a look, but not right now. The system is amazing. Thank you, HSMB1, Jason. Appreciate that. I happen to agree with US and UK oil. 1 minute. Morning, D-Hoss. Morning, Wealth Creation Project. We are the world. We are the children. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. We are children. All right, let's hit it. Let's hit it hard. Let's go fast. All right, US UK oil 1 minute sell stop. US UK oil 5 minute buy stop to the blue line. US UK oil. Nice, nice, beautiful. 30 minute 1 hour sell stop. 4 hour buy stop, daily sell stop. Okay, and that's it. Amazon. So nothing's changed, obviously. The markets were closed at night. 1 minute buy, Amazon. 5 minute buy, Amazon. 15 minute buy, Amazon. 30 minute buy, Amazon. See, this is where I don't like this. I called all these buys last night. But see, this is just too far away. I can't take this trade. So because our logo hasn't formed on the 1 hour, I'm negating all system buy stops on Amazon. I'm overriding that. I'm telling you on Amazon, it needs to come down to the yellow line at least, preferably the channel or the red line. Then I'm going to call it. Unofficially, 1 minute sell stop, 5 minute sell stop, 15 minute sell stop until we get to this 1 hour yellow line. Then it will turn into a buy stop for Amazon. Hope I'm clear on that. Good morning, Larry Cooper. Morning, Larry. Okay, that's Amazon. XRP is in the house, y'all. XRP came up and almost touched that blue line. Let's see. I bet you it was one of these. XRP, 1 minute, 5 minute sell stop. XRP, 15 minute sell stop. XRP, 30 minute sell stop. XRP, 1 hour sell stop. XRP, 4 hour sell stop. XRP, and this is great news, daily buy stop. Weekly sell stop, monthly buy stop. Ethereum, 1 minute. Da, 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 da. We are the world. We are da, da, da. Da, da, da. I don't know. It was a TikTok I saw this morning about how they made the video. I remember when it happened. I thought, that's pretty classic. Steve Perry's part of the song. Fucking kick ass. Ethereum, 1 minute buy stop. 1 minute, 5 minute buy stop, Ethereum. Boom, hit the blue line. As called out last night for the 1 hour and 30-minute buy. Told you. Thank God. 4-hour sell stop Ethereum. Daily buy stop Ethereum. Weekly sell stop Ethereum. Monthly buy stop Ethereum. Bitcoin, 1 minute buy. 5-minute buy. Bitcoin. 30 minutes, the blue line. 1 hour, buy. Bitcoin. I still like that 4 hour. 4-hour buy, daily buy, weekly sell, monthly buy. Bitcoin. GBB, JPY. Who just said they did a trade on this? A 15-minute, I think. Let's take a look. 1 minute, sell to the blue line. 5-minute. Buy stop to the blue line. 15-minute. Stop. GBB, JY, GY. 30-minute. 15-minute sell stop to the 30-minute blue line. 1 hour sell. 4-hour buy. And that's good enough. You guys don't need anything else on that. EUR USD is the opposite of USD, chef. 1 minute. 5-minute. It already is a 15-minute. You're a little late on EUR USD. 15 minutes already dropping. I'd wait on that. Yeah, the 30 minutes already kicked in. You're too late. Nothing you can really do unless it gives me a line to pop to. Already hit the blue daily. Daily buy stop EUR USD. Weekly sell to the monthly blue line EUR USD. Gold. 1 minute. Shannon says, Keg Sonic's 9 a.m. Oh, fuck yeah. I woke up like an hour ago. I've been up for forever. Good morning, Harry. Diaz is right. Don't be greedy. You're in the money. You're in profit. You're in profit. Hold on. Let's go over to NAS. Boom. There's the touchdown. There she blows. That what it was blowing? Look. Touchdown. Ricochet. As called out live. There's your trade. You want to see my FX books and all this bullshit? There it is. Here's my FS books live for you. You want to see if I can trade and call trades? Ricochet to the fucking blue line, baby. Woo! There's your money. Take your money and run, honey. Take your money and run. Take your money and run, honey. Take your money and run. I have 2 trades open. There's your money. Boom, baby. 0.5 sell stops. There it is. Take your money and close those trades down, or at least close one down and leave one open and let one run. Woo! Take that money and run, honey. Take that. It was the easiest trade of the morning for you right there. Safest too. All right, gold. 1 minute. Sell. I probably just blew that for you. Could have got in that trade. 5-minute. Buy stop to the blue line. Gold. 15-minute. Sell stop. Gold. 30-minute. Sell gold. 1 hour to the 1 hour blue line and hit it. Sell stop. Gold. 4-hour. 4-hour and daily buy stop gold. Already called out NAS and SPX US 30 for you last night. These are my call outs. Nothing's changed. 1 minute sell stops towards the blue line. Nope, not towards it. Hit it. Hit it, baby. Boom. Hit it one more time. Loneliness. US 30. Past the red line. NAS. Past the red line. SPX. Past the red line. Boom. That's how we do it. Called out last night. Boom, boom, boom. Still like those 15-minute, 1 hour buys. I'm going to check this part of my prediction here in a minute. Gorgeous, gorgeous. How does your money grow? With safety trades. There you go. Nice. Nice, baby. Dun, 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 dun. I mean, I got like 20 songs going in my head. Boom, 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 boom. All right. Here we look at that gorgeousness. Gorgeousness of what? Gorgeousness of the safety trade system. See, told you to come back down to its own red lines. Passed it on US 30. Easiest trade. We are about to make some bank on that sells. Woo! This is how you do it. Boom, baby. All of them in their channel now. 1 hour, 4 hour buy stops. NAS, SPX, and US 30. Good morning, Martin. Oh, congratulations on renewing, Martin. Very smart idea of you. Do I think it'll make it towards this 5-minute blue line? Yeah, you never know. This is how you do it. This is how you do it. Do I think it'll go there? Morning, Joanna Webley. Good morning, Priscilla. I don't know if I said good morning, Priscilla. I don't think she said good morning. All right. There's your trade. There's your money. There's your money on the safety trade system. Just close down the trade for a win, for the love of God. Easy peasy. Bam, baby. Straight to that blue. Going to do it again, by the way. Do I think they're going to go to their 5-minute blue line? Well, I know we have one. This is how we do it. Da-da, 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 da-da. Yep, there's one. Let me see SPX. Do I think? Do I think? Do I think? Do I think? I think? Do I think? Gonna get close, sure. SPX. Let's see NAS. Boy, we're all gonna be rich as fuck if NAS does it. We'll see. Play any 1-minute sell stops to the 5-minute blue line. That's what I would do. But then I'd be looking into these 1 hour, 4 hour buy stops. They'll either break this at 8:30 to 9:30, well, 8 to 10, or somewhere around 1:30 to 2:30. They'll break it upwards. Hopefully there's some kind of bullshit news that they pretend like it does something for us, and all it does is make us money. Woo! The Ric Flair drip. I got it. Nice. In the money again on those trades. Back to the blue line again for the second time. Called it here. Pop down it went. Called it again right a minute ago. Pop down it went. Pop down it went. Pop down it went to the blue line. We don't trade like that, Aaron. Stick around. You'll learn how to trade. Bearish and bullish opinions for the year. We don't do opinions. I do facts. All your songs, remember me to the time I was 16. Nice, Jan. We don't trade like that, Aaron. Let's blow Aaron's mind. There's not even anyone here. What the fuck, everybody? What is my daily win percentage? Not trade percentage, because I'll lose a trade here or there every now and then, maybe once every week or two, whatever. What's my daily win percentage, everybody? Go ahead and write it out. Let everybody know. I refuse to say it. And then you're about to hear what everybody's going to tell you there. So you don't have to worry about anything when you're here. Look at it go down before your very eyes, Aaron. You see it? Thank you, Fly. You're correct. Thank you, Bob. You're correct. Look at it go down before your very eyes. Look at the money being made before your very bippity boppity boo. Who told you? Bippity, not 99%. You're in Wealth Creation Project. I'm at 100%. Boom. You're correct, Japan. It is 100%. Nope, hide and seek. You're incorrect. My daily, I've never had a losing, and you can go back over 1,000 videos. I've never had a losing day on a live ever in my life for 1,000 videos over a year and a half on YouTube. Not me bragging, just stating the facts. There is your win, and there is your win. We're at 100% this morning, by the way. Matter of fact, my signals are at 100%. Started a new signal service up last month, 11-11 in the first 3 weeks, 2 for 2 in February, 100% win rate, just saying. Boom, baby. Thank you, Harry. The correct answer is Shannon Ivory, 100% and confidently. There you go. So yeah, the way you're used to trading, who was that? Whoever said that? Aaron. The way you're used to trading is 99.99% wrong. All what you thought you knew, watch this, he's going to really love this. All what you thought you knew about trading, 99% is wrong. Support and resistance is not true. Oh, what? Support and resistance is bullshit. Da, 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 da. Here you go. You want to know the truth? Type into Google. You must unlearn everything you thought you knew about trading because it's 99% of the time wrong. If you don't believe me, here's a quick quote from a Google search. You'll search it. Say, are 99% of all retail traders not profitable? Some version of that. Studies have shown that more than 97% of all lose money over time. Less than 1% of day traders are actually profitable. That's because support resistance is BS. That's because, look to the left, ascending, descending wedges, volume, VWAP, block trading, news trading, Fibonacci retracements are all wrong 99% of the time. Trading, not wrong 99% of the time. You heard me. How do I know that? Because we're all taught the same thing. How do I know all those terms? Because I was trading for 5.5 years losing. I tried for over a year, almost a year and a half, I think, for my Fibonacci retracement to work with EUR, USD, and NAS 100. I couldn't get that mofo to work for any reason. But I tried harder than hard. I kept every 61 point. Fibonacci comes from patterns in nature. Fibonacci retracement is the biggest BS. It's naming of candle and candle patterns. Oh, they're not even real. Candle patterns aren't real. Nothing's real in the charts. Let's get real. But candle patterns are the silliest thing you can possibly do. And thank God I never fell for that one. There's no such thing as evening star and morning and head and shoulder patterns and butterfly patterns and biggie cat and dog patterns. No such thing. All BS. None of it works 99% of the time. Don't believe me, Google it. Da-da-da-da-da. Just saying. Thank you all for speaking up when I asked you to. Not many of you did, but there wasn't many of you here, so I won't yell at you. Hope we're clear. Are we all clear that everything you thought you knew about trading is wrong? You need to unlearn it and relearn the safety trade system. 7s for yeses, 9s for nos. So, if please, few answers, please. 7s for yeses, you understand that all the bullshit you learned about trading was 100%, well, 99% completely wrong. This is how you do it. Morning, Johan. Hey, Kevin, you ever heard of the BS called chart art trading? No. What do they draw? Pretty pictures? No, I don't want to know what that is, but thank you. Best people in the world. Oh my God, they'll do anything to learn my system. They'll learn it. What you're learning now will be taught in school soon enough. Lovely 1 minute H&H action this morning and said, yes, nice, Mr. C. That is right. We just got done talking about that. Absolutely just got done talking about that. Look at those trays. There's your H&H he's talking about to the blue line. Take that money and run, peeps. Close them out. Keep them open unless you want to. Yes, they trade it like drawing Bart Simpson. Those people are insane. Unlearning is memory. It is a greatest challenge, Shannon, for a lot of people. I bet you their count. There's no way part systems are, well, it's probably as accurate as Fibonacci retracement, so I shouldn't make fun of them. They're equally moronic. This is how you do it. Sorry, join late, stuck on Zoom calls. Jeez, where are you living at that you're, what are you like in Korea or something? It's like 5 o'clock in the morning, isn't it? What time is it? This is how you do it. This is how you do it. Dun, dun, dun. Da 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 da. All right. So, how do we consistently make profits and make the correct calls pretty regularly? Well, updated rules. Some silly person emailed us the other day. Ooh, that was a bad move. Don't do it. These rules will be emailed to everybody that's purchased the system on February the 15th. These rules will be updated all the time. So it says, welcome to the safety trading rules. Can you imagine a system that has rules step by step? And if you follow them, you'll be correct more than one per time. You fucking better be. No, even if you're challenged, you will be. Because you never know. This is for the signals. I'll change this for you guys. There's alerts in the Discord for our signal service, which is 100% win rate far in 2 months. We'll go over that a bit later. This is the alert you'll get, blah, blah, blah. But no one cares about that right now, but we'll go over that later. This is how you do it. Once you receive your alert, or in our case, you're going to trade the signal. There's only steps to trading. That's why whoever said it was hard. Do you trade crypto at all or only stocks? Aaron, you're lucky. Hey, let's interrupt my training. So, Aaron, what we trade. What do we trade here? Over 100 symbols. This is a scanner that Keith Palmer, the great Keith Palmer, coded for. This scanner, look at it, trades all indices, all gold, oil, all platinum. Also, we trade all Forex, all at the same time, all 8 time frames on MetaTrader 4. Here's a new trade. Well, Aaron, what do you think the red down spinning arrow means? It's a sell stop 1. Ooh, going to the blue line. Someone look that up and tell me that's a good trade. It's trading better than 99% of all of you because it's taking the 1 minute, 5 minute, and trading to the blue line. It's the sell stop 1. For $50 a month add-on, look at them all. Look at them all. Trades all majors and crosses all at the same time. Not only we do that, Ginsu Knife experts, we actually trade all major cryptos is what your question was. Let's take a look. We trade Bitcoin, Doge, Ethereum. So look at them all. We don't trade any of the little shit altcoins, but we trade all major cryptos all at once, all 8 time frames. Not only we do that, we trade all stocks when the stock market is open, of course. Look at, oh, by the way, these are all my call outs too. It's always right. Trades just like me. It has to be right. Look at it. 55 different stocks. If you don't have the scanner, you guys all blow more than $50 fucking a month. Get it. Watch this. We have 10 rooms. Look at Christmas lit up. There's a sell stop. Let's go to Forex. Dun, 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 dun. Cryptos top 10. So yeah, this is what we trade over 100 different symbols, including cryptos. Dun, 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 dun. Man, sometimes this thing's lit up like a Christmas tree. Just gorgeous. Yep, so that's what we trade. All right, so let's go back to training. Only 2 steps to learn how to trade. If Fibonacci doesn't work, which it doesn't, Fibonacci retracement doesn't work, which it doesn't, trend line training doesn't work, support and resistance doesn't work, volume and VWAP doesn't work, look to the left and ascending wedges don't work, naming of candle and candle patterns don't work. If none of it works, then how do we know 9% of us lose money every day? So what does work? To say how do we trade it? 2 steps. 1, you go to the 1 hour. And you go to the 15 minute. On the 1 hour, you'll verify a couple of things. I'll show you what they are. the sniper, blue, high, low, not, logo. And then you guys would that would be that. So that's all. So let's go to step one, and I'll show you what it looks like. This is how we do it. The sell stop again. 1 minute, sell stop to the blue line. NAS. We've already done it once. We've already done it twice. We've already done it 3 times. You're in the money again on the 4th one as we speak. This is how we do it. This is how we do it. All right, let's go to the 1 hour, 4 hours. Where is my little, hold your horses. Where is my where is it at? With their hair so and blah blah blah. Where is my nope. Yep. Here we go. This is how we do. Boop. All right. So we're supposed to be going to the 1 hours. We're going to be looking for something. We're going to look for a pattern. What you see above you right, we'll go to US 30 first. We see the US 30 15-minute on the bottom chart right down here. This is US 30 1 hour. How do we know? Because it tells us US 30, blue is 1 hour, 1 hour. This is how you do it. First thing we're going to look for is on the sniper. Is the blue line low? It is. Is the pink line high? It is. This is how you do it. Check for at least one more out of our 3 indices. What's NAS? Nope, doesn't count. SPX. Yeah, technically, yeah, I guess that does count, but that's ugly. So now we have our bias. I like it all. So this is 15 hours. So I'm going to have to go to the 1 hour, 4 hours, see if I can see things clearer. So let's go up to here. We're going to make this 1 hour. We're going to make our bottom charts 4 hour. And we're going to see if we see a little clearer what's going on. US 30. Ooh, that's interesting. That could be a 4 hour daily. Nope. Kind of. Interesting. So if we're having to gather a guess here, we're looking at a 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop. And I don't like guessing, but that's what it's going to be. What am I looking for? Retracement of to the at least closer to the yellow line on the 4 hour. Also NAS. Yeah, too far away on the 4 hour. 30 is perfect. Looking for a 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop on US 30 to be specific this morning. And SPX have a way to go. Meantime, play your sell stops. The 1 minute NAS sell stop. That's when I would be playing first sell. So how do you do the rules? You need to have watch this. We need to have the exact same pattern on all of these. This is how you do it. You do not. I would stay out of the 3 indices unless you're comfortable with short-term gains. The 1 minute sell, again, by the way, 3 times this morning on NAS. I would wait on the rest. Okay, so let's go back to yesterday, and I'll show you what it looks like proper. I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of a current read. So 15-minute, 1 hour. Let's take a look at what? At a book, Reading Rainbow. We can trade everything. Thanks to the greatest system in the history of the world that God gave us. We appreciate it very much. All right, so what are we going to do? Let's look at yesterday's trade, since that was much easier call. Unless I see things easily, we don't trade it. All right, here we go. So we have 2 rules in step 1. We go to the 1 hour chart. We exactly this. Blue line high, pink line low, logo retracement. Some of you don't even know what a logo is. I'll show you what our logo is. Came up, came down, retraced. Boop. Right where that retracement was. Yep, that is our buy stop. Yep, and there she blows. boop, 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 all the way up. So that was for SPX. If we go to NAS, you'll see the exact same tracement at the exact same time. Look at NAS and SPX. You guys should be asking yourself, why in the hell is it the same time? They're two different, they're not different symbols. They're actually exactly the same. US 30 and SPX on the higher time frames are always the same. Okay, so we have 2 out of the 3 right here, NAS and SPX. Boom, boom. And our logo is formed on both. So that's all you have to do. That's it, 5 seconds. This is how we do it. Boom, 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 boom. Do, 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 do. Later, beautiful people. Bye, Shannon. Have a good day. You guessed this is how you do it. You just had about 15 to 20 people tell you I had a 100% win rate, Aaron. You go ahead and use the old-fashioned ways to trade back in a year or two when you're done losing all your money. Don't give 2 rats shit what you believe or think. This is exactly how you trade, Aaron. Yep, we don't play that. Boom, baby. Gorgeous trade. Where was I? So we have 2 out of 3 confirmations. What does that mean? We have NAS, SPX form this exact little thing right here. What is it forming? Exactly our retracement logo. Whoop. Exactly the blue and pink lines separated. And then we go on to step 2. Step 2, 0. Easy peasy. Let's take a look at it. Step 2. Oh, wrong step. My bad. Step 2 down here. Yep, there are rules to trading. If you follow them, I have a signal service that's 100% accurate. If you follow, the system never fails. Your reading of the rules or the interpretation of the rules, man screws up religion, man screws up, I don't know, government, man screws up my system. The system is non-repainting. It never changes, always accurate. You can go back 6 months, test it out. It'll always be the same. We are the champions. What's up, Naruto? This is how step 2 goes. You do the exact same thing, but opposite for the 15-minute. So you go to the 15-minute charts. Make blue lines low. Make sure the pink line is low also. The very first time this happens the best, make sure we have our logo. Then verify that there is a buy stop. Boop, 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 boop. Trade entry. And all the rest. Take profits. Everything's a rule. Let's go take a look at the 15 minutes. Literally, this takes you, I don't even know, maybe a minute to go through. So here's our 15 minutes. At the time of yesterday, we were supposed to look for blue line and pink line both low. You can clearly see it was right here. So here's number 3. Boop. Here's number 4. Buy stop. Boop. Okay, so let's go over to NAS and see if it did the same thing. Yep, pink and blue line low. Buy stop right here. Pop. Up goes the weasel. Pips is this? Well, I don't know. Let's take a look. People are so silly. 85 pips. And matter of factly, earlier in that morning on this one, you'd have made 122 US 30. So there you go. It's in a book. Don't repeat. Okay, you're just out of here. I don't know who you are. See ya. I can do anything. I sub like the other people. This isn't a method, Aaron. You're not listening to what I'm telling you. This system is flawless and works every time. These aren't methods. This isn't a method of trading. If you didn't catch it earlier today, I don't know if you caught it. This is the only United States of America trademark trading system, class 41. So let me be clear. I know. So you can go, Aaron, you can go ahead and watch over 400 videos, and actually I have over 1,000. I pulled them. You can go in and watch 400 YouTube videos of me trading live, and every day 100%. Well, I shouldn't say that. That's up to God. Y'all told him what my win percentage was, whether he believes it or not is whatever. This is not another system. This is, I'm going to go ahead and sub and blah, 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 blah. No, buddy. You've stumbled across a life changer. If you hear my voice, I am 100% authentic, 100% truthful, to my core of everything I'm teaching you. And I've done this for over 2 years on TikTok and over a year and a half on YouTube. And I document every single trade I call. And not only that, I write out every single trade I call. Go ahead and find someone else that does that. And every day, this writings come true. Bingo, bop, bango. But whatever. Go meander somewhere else around. Come back later when you're more serious to learn actually how to fucking trade. Then come on back. Live trading on video capture in real time is what we see. I know. There's nothing more harder than to trade, right? There's nothing harder than trying to trade. Then if you guys want to go ahead and try to trade in front of hundreds and thousands, some of my videos, 2,000, 3,000 people, most of my videos, 400, 500, 600 people that watch the videos on a day. Are you kidding me? You know how hard it is to trade by yourself? Then try to make the right calls in front of everybody, and then try to make the right calls and write them out, and then make the right calls and trade several different accounts. I have lots of different accounts, only 2 left on MetaTrader 4, but I have Nadex accounts, MetaTrader 4 accounts, Thinkorswim accounts, my goodness, Tradeovite accounts. I have accounts here, accounts there, for various reasons I don't want to go into, but yeah, it's hard. But I make it look semi-easy because it is a step-by-step system, and I follow my own rules, and you can make money. That's all. This is how you do it. Thank you, Shannon, for deleting. This is how you do it. This is how you do it. This is how you do it. Hold on one second. I lost my spot. Hold on. This is how you do it. All right. Does anybody have any questions before I go on any further? I'm going to go ahead and go over the exact final steps on how to trade you. There we go. Much better. This is how you do it. I saw some people, they try to do it like you, but predicate is interesting, the opposite of your calls. Yeah, and the opposite, losing calls. Only time you lose. Correct, Harry. Damn trolls. Yep. I wish people, when they come in and ask nice questions, sure, we'll help you out all the time. When you come in here being a jerk off, you're going to get your asses handed to you and thrown out. Don't need you. Don't want you here. I'm negative enough. I don't need any of you. Right, I was trying to leave, and I was like, Aaron, that's funny. This is how you do it. All right. So step 1, 2, 3, and 4. There's only 2 steps. Those are your 2 steps in each. That's what you do it. I'm somewhat new to this. Not trying to say the wrong thing and seem like it's being rude. Fair enough, Andrew. I mean, Aaron, sorry. Good morning, Andrew. Howdy, Coach. Trying to find the true difference between blowing through the yellow and testing. Is that the true definition of a fill in the gap? Right. Oh, I've paid for people that went back and did their charts like that, made them up. Good morning, Jason McCain. No, we do it live. Live, peeps. So he's asking, let me see if I can answer his question properly. I'm not sure I get it. Not sure I get. Don't forget, we have buy stops in place on the 15-minute 1 hours, get the 1 hour, 4 hour buy stops, especially US 30 for the buy, especially NAS 1 minute for the sells. I can't get any more specific than that. Hopefully that helps you. Good morning, Linda Brown. Now, howdy, Coach Andrew Fry. Good morning, little Joe, if I didn't say good morning. Howdy, Coach. Trying to find the true difference between blowing through the yellow. Is that a true definition of filling the gap? No. Good morning, Sandro. What's up, Sandro? Not really. The fill in the gap. How do I explain fill in the gap to you using TradingView? That's a very good question. I did away with it from the rules because we no longer use it with fill in the gap in the broken Bach one, the dirty buy stops. We don't, in dirty sell stops, we don't use those anymore. I have a hard enough time trying to explain green, 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 red, red to people. Green, 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 green. Yeah, I don't know how to explain the fill in the gap to you. We can try to do that on an advanced trading Mondays at 2:15. If you want to. I'm sorry, I just don't feel comfortable answering that right now. It's just something too advanced. I'll lose. I can't even get people think this is hard. You're literally painting by colors. You're painting by numbers. You're trading by numbers. It is in the rules, but I don't want to really get into that. I'll test the line, and sometimes it won't. Will you wait for it? Well, that's easy enough. Hold on. If you're asking what this isn't a fill in the gap. This trade yesterday went down to the 1 hour, popped off, came back up again. Technically went down to the 4 hour. Poop, pop up, it went. So no, that's easy. This isn't a fill in the gap trade. This is a logo. You have to find your logo. Just follow the rules like Ms. Shannon said. Correct. See, it boom comes over, logo. So that's all. Yeah, you're mistaking what a fill in the gap is, and I'm not going to correct you right now. Okay, Andrew, no problems. Now, we went over and made money 3 times. Technically, yep, we're on the buy on the US 30. So we made money 3 times with our NAS sell stop to the blue line. Went over the rules kind of shittily. I really didn't get a good job. Everyone kept interrupting, but the rules are the rules. They're there. You'll be getting a copy of these new rules February the 15th. Do not email asking about it or I'll block your email. Okay, we went over the 12-6 callouts. We went over the sniper. We need to the signal rules. You need to go ahead and print those out, copy them down. By the time I send those rules out, every one of you should have typed them out. Simple as that. Every one of you should have typed those rules out. I leave them up long enough for you to screenshot them and type them out yourselves. Good morning, Jay Parker. Good morning, Dennis. What's up, Dennis? You're welcome, Andrew. When's the test? I could test you right now. What do you mean? When's the test? Okay. I don't know what you mean, bro. If anyone's new here and wants to learn the system, please speak up. I've already talked about unlearning everything you thought you knew because it's all wrong. In order to master my system, you need to start to teach it. So once you learn it a little bit, you should start teaching it to your wife, husband. Hell, be like Stevie. Teach your wife, Heather, and then Heather hasn't missed the trade. I believe she made it like 20-something days in a row, 23 days in a row or something. She ended up putting $30,000 on her dream brand new Jeep, and she did the $30,000 all from the trading she did with the safety trade system. So it's not a bad sign. Okay. We are Stan ambassadors. Good morning, Blue Tide Acrylics. Good morning, Brian Claus. Good morning, Ted. Yep, there you go, Andrew. I've been teaching my wife, and man, has it done wonders for me. Correct, Andrew. When you teach someone, what's up, Raider Trader? What's up? Good morning, sir. When you teach someone the system, things start clicking in for you that you didn't even know that you didn't even know. I wish more of you would start teaching someone. You have the system, look at it, use one of my training videos like the Frida one, and then teach them. And Priscilla Surgeon, if you like that about Heather, you'll love if you look up, you go to YouTube and you look up Billy's story or Kevin's story, Thera's story. They were both homeless. Billy took $50. Well, he bought the system. He took his last $50, put it in a trading account. He built it up to where he was trading. He didn't have it. He was living out of his car. He had no internet. He had no computer. One of his friends let him sneak into the library after hours, use the internet there, use the computers there. He then traded his $50 and made so much he is no longer homeless. He bought his own. He lives in England. He was like $2,000 in his savings account, $9,000 in his trade account, and he's made so much money he's no longer homeless. Same for Thera, Kevin. Google or YouTube search his story. He called in live and told the story. I think you'll love that, Priscilla. What is Jose saying? Why are all these weirdos coming out? Maybe it's time for me to go. Good morning, Kelly McMahon. On my swing on brother. To master training on the 4-hour daily safe trades. Woo! 4-hour dailies. I can show you on gold what that looks like. Sure. We are senior ambassadors for Stan. As I pull this up, let's go to 4-hour. Let's go to daily, and I'll show you what it looks like. It is so dangerous. You're going to be very careful with this shit. 4-hour dailies are a different beast. I'll show you the one that I took, though. I do not like Sam I Am. Metal Mine, how do I disconnect the thing where I scroll down here and it affects this thing like that? Damn it. Also, I hate that shit. I thought I had it off one time. What if some of us do just do once in the day, a Zoom call to teach us each other? Don't like that particular one, Fly, but you can always call in and learn on here. Chart layout. Okay, where the fuck is the chart layout, Metal Mine? This thing? Yeah. Unhook what? This is how we do it. I already have the interval off, and that doesn't work. Crosshairs I want. Time is off. Date range, you want that one off? This is how we do it. Okay. Let's see. Oh, thank you, Metal Mine, the gods. Very good. Thank you, sir. All right. You helped me, and now I'm about to help you, my friend. This is how you do it. Gold, gold. This is how you do it. Daily. You wanted a 4-hour daily. See, that's the problem. Yes, you can do 4-hour daily. Not an issue. More importantly, the 1 hour, 4 hours work together. The 4-hour dailies are okay, but the daily weeklies technically is what you want to work with. Hold on a second. Give me this 1 second here. Where has my weekly gone? Where has it gone? With the sun so bright and it's What? Yeah, much better. But how do we do it? That's gonna be nice. Who is this? Gold. Gold's lining up for a strong daily, weekly buy. I do believe it needs to pull back down a little bit further. So let gold come back down a little bit more, maybe. You can clearly see where the 1 hour or the daily, weekly formed and how it hit. But yeah, that's really nice to see, actually. I'll keep it in the back of my mind about gold. You'll see it dip some more. Oh, sorry. You'll see gold form its weekly by coming down. It doesn't always have to come time frames down to the yellow or red, by the way. I just love this first split. Blue high, pink low, weekly. That's why I would like it to form the logo a little bit better, come down towards the yellow line a little bit more, form this, come back down again with the blue, hook just like it is, and come back up. This is gorgeous, actually. You can see the previous time was right here. It isn't close enough on the way down for my taste, though. I'd like to come down lower. Yeah, that's what I would do. Good morning, Charlotte King. I'll focus on the one. Yeah, I would. I would combine. There's certain ones you want to combine. The 30-second 1 minute you combine with the 3 minute. Okay? The 1 minute you can even combine with the 5 minute. The 15 or 30 minute you can combine with the 1 hour. The 1 hour, I would only combine the 1 hour and 4 hours. And then the 4 hours, you know, kind of not do it. I would do a daily, weekly, and combine those two. It's just getting for the feel for things. It's not that the 4 hour day doesn't work. It's just that there's so many 4 hours in a day. It's hard for it to pull where it needs to come down. Just like on the weekly daily, it's hard for this to form the logo properly. Obviously, it did right here. But normally, it's very hard for it to hook and come down, hook and come down. Matter of factly, you always want to see some bullshit. Let's see the last time that you see ever. We'll see. Hold on. This is how you do it. Let me see something. Hold on one second. Hope I didn't. This is how you do it. Okay, there we go. All right. So let's go. Well, matter of fact, hold on. We're going to go back over. They're the same charts. And everyone has a count. You're not using MetaTrader. You're not using. Oh, get out of here. All right. We might be in the buy stop range now, by the way. Let's go over to US 30. Let's go over to the weekly. And let's see the very last time. Can we even see it? This is how we do it. Look, this is your weekly. You guys want an eye-opening experience. For NAS, SPX, and US 30, this is that big supposed crash over there and whatever that was. Remember that year, right before COVID or something? 2020. Bullshit. It's just a buy, stop, so on. So it's too far away. They're going to come coming down now. But at any rate, oh, geez. TikTok never believes I talk this long. Hold on. This is how you do it. Okay. Sorry about that. Look, on your weekly, US 30 has never come and hit its blue line in the last, since 2009, I think it is, or before. Oh, I'm sorry, I lied. 2050, that's not true. There it is, right here. There it is. The last time they allowed it to come down was 2009, like I said. So in the last 10 years, they've never allowed US 30 to come down to its weekly. Impossible. NAS never came down in the last 14 years. SPX never came down in the last 14 years. Never touched this blue line in 15 years. Impossible. 100% impossible. Okay? Surely, you know, what about ERUSD? I'm going to go ahead and say they let it come down, touch it multiple times. Oh, but they didn't do, I don't know, GBP, JPY, multiple times. Every other touched multiple times, even XRP. Oil, multiple times oil, it touched the line. Never once did US 30 in 14 years come down and touch its blue line. Never once did NAS in 14 years come down and touch its blue line. Never once in 14 years did SPX come close to touching its blue line. What am I telling you? Well, that things are being artificially inflated and going up for the last four. As a matter of fact, the last 23 years, they only allowed it 3 times. So anyone that tells you, instead of doing this day trading BS, right? Trading in and out and going in and out, get yourself a nice money market, maybe a Janus fund, Fidelity, preferably a no-load fund, and just get one of those. Get something that controls the top 20 S&P, let's say, stocks. Okay? Maybe a US 30. Oopsie, that controls it. Okay? Then you put your money in there. And why? Well, let me be clear. I'm not a financial advisor, but I'm telling you what I do for well, that's fine. Just do this. And then it rotates out the best stocks. So you don't have to control them. And for 14 years, it went up. Now, me personally, I'd be extremely careful of that. This shit will fall. What goes up comes down. I teach everybody that knows me the pendulum. The pendulum swings for everything, meaning something might go real high, it'll eventually come down. The stock market, not stock market, the Forex market and the stock market can't keep going up every year for 14 years without a consequence. That's all I'm telling you. So keep both eyes open. We'll see the sell stops coming because of the 1 minute and 30 seconds. You absolutely will see sell stops coming. So you can make money on the way down as easy as you can on the way up. I'm just telling you, careful, be careful, be careful. Nothing can keep going up for 14 years. Nothing. Yet they did. Guess we'll see. Right. TradingView, you have to have the data for it. Yep. All right. Stand ambassadors. We're a stand store ambassador, blah, blah, blah. Senior ambassador. We have 3 stand stores. We make lots of money from stand itself. Tons of money from the stand stores. A little bit of money from trading. Okay. H&A scanners. Yep, showed you that already. The scanner room showed you that already. The sniper add-on, I don't stop showing you. That's the blue and pink thing. Signals. Really didn't get into signals. Let me show you the signals super quick. Super quick. Super quick. If I can find them. Yep, found them. All right, we have a signal service. Brand new last month. Perfect 11 for 11 in 3 weeks. 100%. This is all new to everybody. I only showed it last night. I'm showing it again now. We started off with 3 rooms. Tier 1, Tier 2, and Tier 3. Okay? Okay? This is what we started with. Look at how many rooms are coming. I assume probably next week we're going to go ahead and open up the gold room. Everybody that's in Tier 1 gets the gold room for free. Everyone in Tier 2 gets the gold room for free. Everyone in Tier 3 gets the gold room for free. What is the gold room? It'll be sending out gold signals for you. You're welcome, Metal Mine. The consequence is inflation and worse. See? ERUSD room coming up probably the week after that. And also released probably at the same time will be GY, GBP, JPY, and oil. So I'm assuming by the end of the month or so, first next month, all these will be available to everybody. Everybody in Tier 1 will get this room for free. You'll get 5 signals in gold. Everyone in Tier 2 will get 10 signals from gold. Everyone in Tier 3 will get unlimited signals from gold. And so on. Same for ERUSD and so on. Right now, Tier 1s are only calling out 15-minute 1 hours for US 30, NAS, and SPX. Soon enough, it'll be calling out 1 hour, 4 hours. Soon enough, it'll be calling out 1 minute, 5 minutes. That's probably going to be a separate room called the sniper room. And we're probably going to a scalping room. We're probably going to put it in there. But nonetheless, all these, for those of you who are in the tier already. Tier 1's 155 signals. Tier 2, actually, you're getting way over. Tier 2 is $250 a month, 10 signals. Tier 3 is unlimited signals. We've had 11 out of 11 win rate. January, 2 out of 2 win rate. For February, we're at 100% win rate in these rooms. I'm glad you're excited. If someone got signal this week, have that one also, the extras go. If you buy it now, Jan, you get all of them. If you're in the single group room, when these are reached, you get all these rooms for free. If you're not, you'll be paying $150 a month for gold, $150 a month for NAS, SPX, US30. You'll be paying $150 a month for ERUSD. You'll be paying $100 at minimum. GBP, JPY, you'll be paying $150 US oil. We haven't even gotten to the best trade yet. Okay. What is the best? Holy Grail trade. I need to come up with a better name. That's all I got right now. Holy Grail trade is a trade, and I know how this sounds. I know how crazy it sounds, utterly ridiculous it sounds. There's no such thing. Okay? But the Holy Grail trade, when it's in release, 3 months, give or take a month or two. So I would say 3 months from now. Yeah. We've already tested it. The first 3 test backs on the Holy Grail trade correctly called the previous 3 Holy Grail trades with 100% accuracy, because of course you can't miss when it's coded properly. Average win on that was over 200 pips, 250 pips. So the Holy Trade that will not miss. Can't say that for legal reasons, but it's a trade that will miss only when God wants it to miss. TST. Don't change the name, coach. Okay, Andrew, I won't. T3N spot, I would love to try. Yeah, buy the system, you can try. So the Holy Grail trade, when that's released, will be as bigger game changer as the safety trade system was to trading. The Holy Grail trades being coded by Keith Palmer. Absolutely love Keith. Best coder I've ever worked with by a mile. Extremely good. The Bree trade. I agree with that. Call it the invincible trade. Oh, I like HD as my vote, Holy Grail. Thanks, Chloe. What's up, Mike? I'll consider everything, but for now, Holy Grail it is. And what it means is that it's a trade that just won't miss. When that trade is called, you will be shocked. It can't. I explain it to the people that my family, right? I tell them that it cannot miss. It's the way it's coded. There's 6 symbols. The way they trade with each other cannot miss. What has to happen is the buy stop would have to turn into a sell stop, and the sell stop would have to turn into a buy stop. And unless it's God, that's impossible to happen. So, is this something, a little ditty from Jack and Diane that I whipped up? And actually, 10 years to figure it out, but I do have a trade that will not miss. I don't care, believe me or not. When it comes out, you'll see. Everybody that knows me for the last 1.5 years, 2 years trading knows that I don't bullshit. That it's absolutely going to be there. It will happen. Okay, now, if you're renewing coming up in February, March, or April, hundreds of you are, I would go ahead and renew now. You don't want an interruption of your services. You don't want to lose the safety system, because once your date comes and goes, your system will be gone. It'll evaporate. It'll be gone. Whether you're on MetaTrader 4-hour trading view, it will be gone. Okay. So renew now, renew early. You don't lose any time. We just add on to. So if you're normally in March expiring, you'll be just have an extra month added on to your yearly membership. That's all. If you're doing great with the system, please support it. Put your money where your beliefs are. Meaning, stay in the scanner room for $50 a month, even if you don't need it. Meaning, if you're doing good with the system only and making money, spend $150 a month on the sniper. Do it. No problem. All the things you love, you support, you spend money on. Strongly suggest you spend money on the safety trade system to support it. Nothing worse than receive an email. I'm doing great. I don't need the scanners anymore. If you're doing great, that's when you need to support the scanners. Hope I'm clear on that. Okay. I'm going to leave you with the thoughts again. That's weird. That you have a buy stops ready to roll. Let's take a look at the charts one more time. We've already hit our sell stops perfectly. SPX 15-minute buy stop. NAS 15-minute buy stop. US 30 actually technically should already be in the money. All right, so this is what you have going on. You have 1-minute sell stops across the board. Also across the board, you have your 1-hour buy stops on your 3 indices. We already called out gold. We already called out ERUSD, GBP, JPY. We already called out Bitcoin. We already called out Ethereum and XRP, Amazon, and US and UK oil. We've called all those out. You already made money on NAS 3 times this morning. Okay. Does anybody on TikTok or YouTube have any questions for me? Anybody on TikTok have any questions, concerns, or comments? We are the only, as far as I'm aware, and corrected me, I will change it if it comes up. We actually have a patent for the safety trade system. It's not on for some silly looking little logo. I'm sorry, not a patent. We're patent applied for, my bad. We have a trademark. And our trademark is for a class 41 coaching system. Yes, Martin. The 5-minute, 15-minute is a very valid combination. Thank you, Botnator. I appreciate that, sir. All right. I'm going to go ahead and close down TikTok, head over to YouTube for a minute because I can talk freely over there. I can't on TikTok. Boop. And now, all right. Anybody on YouTube have any questions? You're welcome, Martin. Anybody have any questions, concerns, or comments on YouTube? Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. All right, everybody on YouTube, have a great morning. Remember the call outs I made. Please remember the call outs I made. Everybody have a great, I'm pretty sure, Lord willing, I'll be seeing you later this afternoon. At least that's the plan. I'm going to hang out with my brother all day, whatever, all that good stuff. In the sniper, we have 3 lines. Yeah, you're supposed to have already updated that, Jan. You only have 2 lines, the pink and the blue. That's like 6 months ago, woman. You got to catch up on that, Jan. I don't hear the dreadmill. Oh, it's going. 7,377 steps, 7 minutes. I was only walking real slow, though, only 4 kilometers an hour. Don't ask me why kilometers an hour. It's like 2.7 miles an hour or something. But yeah, 7,000, almost 7,400 steps, 77 minutes. It's still going. I'm just walking real slow, cool down. And then I'm going to go do my interval training. I'm going to do my oxygen, EWAT therapy, exercise with oxygen therapy. I'm going to do some sprints in the house. I'm going to go do some morning light therapy at 7:30 when the sunrise happens. Go out there for about 30 minutes, ground myself. You're welcome, Estoni. All right, guys. Thank you all for being here. God bless. I'm not even going to ask for a rating this morning. We're good. Thank you, Blue Tide Acrylics. And I do love my Dallas Cowboy little helmet. And I love the coasters. Those are so freaking cool. Those are so free. We have them in our thing. We use them all the time. Love them. Thank you so much. You're welcome, Ruben. Welcome, Estoni. Thank you, Jan. You have a great day, too. Thank you, Jay Parker, for the 10. Didn't even ask. I already rated you, brother. Mr. C says a 10. I didn't even ask. You guys are great. 100 out of 100. Thank you, Dennis. Thank you, Harry. T3N Squad, keep it up, bro. Yep, been doing it for a year and a half. Thank you, T3N Squad. Thank you, Metal Mine. Thank you, Joseph. Thank you, Jan. All right, guys. Y'all have a great, wonderfully great, fantastically great day. Enjoy yourselves. Get out there and live life to the fullest. Have a great time. God bless. Hopefully